Assalamualaikum guys, so this is Salman here and you're watching Black Ultimate. So if you guys are new here, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button, and here's my Instagram ID, just follow me if you like stuff. Today I'm gonna react on Kenshi Yonezu Kickback. So without any further delay, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, LV. Hmm. I was lucky. Oh, this one. Oh. Oh. Amazing. He's so energetic. I love his, his wife. He's so amazing, beautiful. I mean, it's so cute. Uh, it's a different kind of wife. Like I love his voice. Seriously. I was just enjoying. It's a very nice song. And can you guys tell me where he's from? Comment below. I just want to know. Yeah, I'm gonna follow him because of his looks and his voice. Just amazing. So if you guys like this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so kindly subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell icon, hit the like button, and if you guys have any question or request, just tell me. Till take care. I love you. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.